Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that affects us all as we age: collagen breakdown. You know, collagen is like the scaffolding of our bodies. It's a protein that holds everything together, from our skin and hair to our bones and joints. But as we get older, our bodies naturally produce less of it, and that can lead to some noticeable changes. Now you might be thinking, how do I know if my collagen levels are low? Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover today. If you've noticed changes in your skin, hair, or joints, you might be experiencing collagen loss. So, if you're ready to learn about the 7 telltale signs of collagen breakdown and, more importantly, what you can do to fix it fast, stick around. Let's break it down. Alright, let's talk about the first sign of collagen breakdown: changes in your skin. This is often the most noticeable and can be quite concerning for many. Now, we all want that youthful, radiant complexion, right? It's something we all strive for, a sign of health and vitality. Well, collagen plays a key role in maintaining skin elasticity. It's like the scaffolding that holds everything up. Think of it like a network of tiny, springy fibers that keep your skin firm and bouncy. These fibers are essential for that youthful look. When collagen levels decline, those fibers weaken and your skin loses its ability to snap back into place. This is when you start noticing changes. This can lead to sagging skin, especially around the jawline and neck. These areas are particularly prone to showing signs of aging. You might notice your cheeks looking a little less full, or your once smooth forehead developing fine lines. These are early indicators, and speaking of lines, those smile lines, those parentheses around our mouths that we earn with every laugh and grin, they can become more pronounced as collagen decreases. It's a natural process. Now, there's nothing wrong with a few laugh lines. They show we've lived a life full of joy. They are a testament to our happiest moments. But if you're starting to feel self-conscious about deepening wrinkles, it could be a sign that your collagen levels need a boost. It's something worth paying attention to. Remember, these changes happen gradually over time, and they're a natural part of aging. It's a journey we all go through. But the good news is, there are things we can do to support our collagen production and maintain that youthful glow. Simple lifestyle changes can make a big difference. We'll dive into those solutions a bit later. There are plenty of options to explore. But first, let's move on to the next sign of collagen breakdown. Stay tuned for more insights. So we've covered how collagen loss can affect our skin, but did you know it can also impact our hair and nails? Yes, collagen plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and strength of these parts of our body too. That's right. Collagen is essential for strong, healthy hair and nails. It provides the necessary support and structure that keeps them looking vibrant and resilient. Think of collagen like the building blocks for keratin, the protein that makes up our hair and nails. Without sufficient collagen, the production of keratin can be compromised. When collagen levels are low, our bodies may not produce enough keratin, leading to weaker, more brittle nails and thinner, more fragile hair. This can result in noticeable changes in the texture and strength of your hair and nails. You might notice your nails chipping or breaking more easily than they used to, or you might see more hair than usual in your brush or shower drain. These signs can be quite alarming if they happen suddenly. These are common signs of aging, but they can also be early indicators of collagen depletion. As we age, our body's ability to produce collagen naturally decreases, making these issues more prevalent. Now, before you panic, it's important to remember that many factors can contribute to hair loss and nail problems, from stress and nutritional deficiencies to underlying medical conditions. Each of these factors can play a significant role. So if you're experiencing significant changes in your hair or nails, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor to rule out any other potential causes. A professional can provide a comprehensive evaluation and guide you on the best course of action. But if you suspect that collagen loss might be playing a role, don't worry. We'll discuss ways to support your body's natural collagen production a little later in the video. There are several strategies and products that can help boost your collagen levels effectively. Let's move on to another common sign of collagen breakdown: joint pain and stiffness. Now, as we age, our joints naturally experience some wear and tear. It's like that old saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Well, sometimes our bodies need a little help with the fixing part. Collagen plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our cartilage, the smooth, rubbery tissue that cushions our joints and allows them to move smoothly. Think of cartilage like shock absorbers for your bones. When collagen levels decline, our cartilage can become thinner and weaker, leading to increased friction between bones. This can result in joint pain, stiffness, and that creaky feeling, especially in the morning or after sitting for long periods. You might notice it's harder to get going after you've been resting, or you might feel a bit like the Tin Man from The Wizard of Oz, needing a little oil to loosen up those joints. Now, joint pain is incredibly common, especially as we get older. But it's not something we should just accept as a normal part of aging. There are steps we can take to support our joint health and keep those joints moving smoothly. Have you ever noticed that you bruise more easily than you used to? Or maybe those bruises seem to stick around longer? Well, this could be another sign that your collagen levels are declining. Now, collagen isn't just important for our skin, hair, and joints. It also plays a vital role in maintaining the strength and integrity of our blood vessels. Think of collagen like the reinforcement that keeps those blood vessels from becoming fragile and prone to leakage. When collagen levels are low, our blood vessels can weaken, making it easier for them to rupture under the skin. This can lead to those unsightly bruises, even from minor bumps or knocks. If you find yourself sporting more bruises than usual, or if those bruises seem to take forever to fade, it might be a good idea to pay attention to your collagen intake. Alright, let's talk about another sign of collagen breakdown that you might not expect: slow wound healing. Now, we've all experienced cuts, scrapes, or burns at some point in our lives. And usually our bodies are pretty amazing at repairing those wounds and regenerating new tissue. But did you know that collagen plays a crucial role in that healing process? It acts like a scaffold, providing a framework for new cells to grow and repair damaged tissue. When collagen levels are low, our bodies may struggle to produce enough of this essential protein to support efficient wound healing. This can lead to slower healing times, an increased risk of infection, and more noticeable scarring. So, if you've noticed that your wounds seem to take longer to heal than they used to, or if you're prone to developing keloid scars, those raised, thick scars, it could be a sign that your collagen levels need some attention. Now that we've covered the 7 signs of collagen breakdown, you might be wondering, Dr. Mike, what can I do about it? How can I support my skin and overall health naturally? Well, the good news is that there are several natural ways to support your body's collagen production and potentially even reverse some of those signs we've discussed. These methods are simple, effective, and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. First up, let's talk about collagen peptides. These are a popular supplement for a reason. These are small, easily digestible fragments of collagen that are absorbed into the bloodstream and can stimulate your body to produce more collagen. They are derived from animal sources and are broken down into smaller pieces for better absorption. You can find collagen peptides in powder or capsule form, and they're a convenient way to boost your intake. Simply add them to your morning smoothie or take them with water. Next, we have bone broth. This age-old remedy is making a comeback for good reason. This nutrient-rich broth is made by simmering bones, cartilage, and connective tissue for an extended period, extracting valuable collagen and other nutrients. It's a delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. Think of it like a supercharged soup for your joints and skin. Regular consumption can provide a steady supply of collagen and other beneficial compounds, but it's not just about what you add to your diet. Certain nutrients play a crucial role in collagen synthesis, the process of your body making new collagen. Ensuring you get enough of these nutrients can make a big difference. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that's essential for collagen production. It helps to protect your skin from damage and supports the healing process. Think of it like the glue that holds those collagen fibers together. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't form or store collagen effectively. You can find vitamin C in citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure you get enough of this vital nutrient. And finally, let's not forget about silica. This often overlooked mineral is crucial for healthy skin and connective tissues. This trace mineral plays a vital role in collagen formation and helps to strengthen connective tissues. It supports the structure of your skin, hair, and nails. You can find silica in foods like bananas, oats, and spinach. Including these in your diet can help support your body's natural collagen production and keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Now you might be wondering, Dr. Mike, how long does it take to see results? Well, the good news is that with consistent effort, you can start to see improvements in your collagen levels, and potentially even reverse some of those signs of collagen breakdown within a reasonable time frame. Think of it like this. You're not going to undo years of collagen loss overnight. It takes time for your body to rebuild those collagen stores and for those new collagen fibers to work their magic. But with a combination of dietary changes, targeted supplements, and a little patience, many people start to notice a difference within 30 to 60 days. You might see improvements in skin elasticity, a reduction in fine lines, stronger nails, and even some relief from joint pain. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to support its natural collagen production and allowing those processes to take effect. Remember, everyone's body is different and results can vary, but by making these lifestyle changes and prioritizing collagen-boosting nutrients, you're investing in your long-term health and well-being. That's it for today's video on collagen breakdown. We've covered a lot of ground, from the telltale signs of collagen loss to the powerful ways you can support your body's natural collagen production. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your friends and family. And be sure to let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more videos on collagen and healthy aging. Remember, taking care of your collagen can make a big difference in your overall well-being. See you next time.